Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to the second video of Python Mastery series, and in this video we are going to set up our development environment for Python. For this we need to install Python in our operating system or in our computer first. So your operating system might be macOS or Windows or Linux based operating system. We are going to see how to install Python and how to set up our development environment for Python. Now talking about Linux first guys, because if you are a Linux user, such as if your operating system is Ubuntu or any other operating system based on Linux, then you will have Python already installed. There is a high chance that you will have a pre-installed Python, and we are going to set up the latest Python environment as of today. So the latest version as of today is 3.13.7. As of this date, the latest version is 3.13.7 and we are going to install it on macOS and Windows. But if you are a Linux user, you will have a Python already installed. But in case you want to update the version, if your version is not 3.13, or if you do not have a Python already installed, then make sure that you put it in the comment box and I will create a separate video to guide you to install Python in your system. I have already created a video how to install Python in Linux system using Ubuntu, but that was created in Hindi, and you can find the link of that video on the I link of this video and also in the description. Now talking about how to install in macOS, what you need to do is, if you are using macOS, just go to any browser and make a Google search, download Python. This is what you will get as a result. You need to click on the first link, download Python, and then you will see that download the latest version for macOS. If you are using Windows, you will see that download the latest version for Windows. So based on your operating system, the result will be here. Now once you are on this particular page, you will need to click on download Python 3.13.7. Now once the download is complete, you need to click on this package. Basically you need to install this package. Just click on this package and it will open an installation window. The installation window will look something like this. And guys, if you are using Windows also, you can follow the same procedure. You just need to download the Python package, and once you have downloaded the Python package, just open the package and it will display a installation window. Just click next or continue to proceed with the installation process. So you can say continue here, continue, and if the installation process asks you to agree to some terms and condition or some license agreement, then make sure that you click on the agree button or yes button if you have the option as yes or no. So click on agree here, then click on install. Once you click on install, it might ask you to enter the password of your system. So just enter the password of your system. Right now it is asking me to enter the password. You might not be able to see the window, but I have entered the password of my system, and click on install. Once you do it, it will start the installation process, and once the installation process is completed, you will have Python installed in your system. You can see that install time remaining is less than a minute, so we can just wait for the installation to complete, and once the installation is complete, you have Python installed in your system, and now you can start coding in Python. And meanwhile it does the installation, let me tell you that the installation process is very much similar in macOS and Windows. You just need to download the package and start installing that particular package. I am right now installing it in my macOS, but if you are somebody who is using Windows, then guys, you might see a different option. There is just one option different which you might see, and let me tell you what. So basically you might see this step as well if you are using Windows. If you see this particular step, then make sure that you tick this particular option of add Python 3.8. It is 3.8. For you it might be 3.13.7. It depends upon what version of Python you have downloaded. So make sure that you tick this particular point, select this particular point, that yes, I want to add the Python 3.13.7 to my path. Once the installation is done, you will see a window something like this. The installation was completed successfully, and now you have Python installed in your system, and now you can start using Python. Now let me go back to the code editor to set up our coding environment. So guys, I would highly recommend you to install VS Code. Now if you have not installed VS Code, I have already created a video on how to install VS Code, and you can find the video link on the I button of this video, or you can find it in the description as well. But if you have VS Code installed, then it is good. But it is not compulsory to use VS Code only for coding, but I will be using VS Code to explain you all the different concepts of Python, so it will be easy for you guys to follow along with me. Basically VS Code is an integrated development environment, IDE, or you can say a code editor, where we can write our code and it provides us a very good environment for coding. So once you have VS Code installed, like what you can see on my screen, it is a VS Code environment. Now we can just open a new terminal on VS Code environment. So I can just open this terminal, I can drag it down from below, and now this is my terminal. And guys, if you are not using VS Code, you can use your own system's terminal. That is going to be perfectly fine as well. Now I have created a folder inside which I will be writing all the code for this particular series, the Python programming series, and the folder name is full Python course. Right now my terminal is pointing to this particular folder, full Python course. Let me show you as well. pwd is the command to print the current working directory. So you can see right now I am pointing to the full Python course folder. Now once I am on this particular folder, I can just type the command python --version to verify that Python is installed in my system. Once I click enter, you will see that the Python version is 3.13.7. That's the Python version which is installed in my system. Once the Python is installed, once you have installed VS Code or any code editor of your choice, just create a folder, something like you can name your folder anything. I have named the folder as full Python course, and in this folder only we are going to code everything related to the course. After the end of this course, you will have a folder with you inside which you will have really great set of programs and you will be a great Python programmer as well. So guys, I think that's it for this video. The installation and setup part is done. It is pretty easy. You just need to go to a browser and download Python, and then you can install it just like any other software you install on your system. Once the installation is done, you come to a code editor and a terminal. In VS Code, I have the code editor and terminal in one place. And in the terminal, just type the command python ---- version, and this is going to just prove you that Python is installed in our system. So let me write the command here as well, python ---- version, right? So guys, that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to write our first program in Python. So I will see you guys in the next video. I want to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this one.